Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to participate in community discussions about Bither. First, join online forums and communities. Start by joining popular cryptocurrency forums like Reddit, Bitcoin Talk, Crypto Compare. These platforms often have dedicated threads for Bither discussion. You can also join Bither social media groups on the platform like Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. These are great places to connect with other Bither users. You can engage in discussions. Once you are part of these communities, read through existing posts and feel free to respond with your thoughts, questions, or experience using Bither. If you have specific questions or need help, don't hesitate to ask the community. Most members are happy to share their knowledge. You can also share your knowledge and experience. Share your own tips, tricks, and experience with Bither to help others. This could include security tips, transaction method, or updates you have discovered. Consider creating your own content like blog posts or videos, discussing Bither and sharing them in the community for further engagement. Make sure to follow the community guideline for each forum or social media groups to maintain a positive and respectful environment. Keep an open mind while discussing different viewpoints and always be respectful towards other members. And that is how you can participate in community discussion about Bither. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.